Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to start the development of the administration part of our project. To do that, we are going to install EasyAdmin bundle, an excellent Symfony component that will allow us to quickly create a complete administration interface. Also, thanks to EasyAdmin, we will be able to easily generate CRUD operations, manage our entities, and save a lot of time in the development of our back office. In this series, we will start with the installation and its configuration in order to set up the base of our administration interface. And let's start with the installation. So we need PHP 8.2, Symfony 6.4. We are also using 8.0 and also Doctrine ORM. For the installation, we will copy the command. Composer require easycorp/easyadmin-bundle, and we will run it in the VS Code terminal. Once the installation is finished, we will see what has been added to our project. First, if you noticed, it updated the composer.json, installed version 5.1. Then it added the twig component file. It is not really part of EasyAdmin, but it is a required component to display EasyAdmin interfaces. After that, for routes, it added the admin YAML file. And for bundles, it added twig component and EasyAdmin. For the recipe files, there is nothing important for now. It is just examples if you use migrations. Also, don't forget to check the added commands because it will make the process easier. We will definitely use commands to generate classes. To see the list of commands, we will run the Symfony console command. And now let's check what has been added. So yes, it added here, make admin CRUD, make admin dashboard. For now, we are going to test make :admin dashboard. We will keep the default name dashboard controller and put it under src/controller/admin. And that's it. It created our admin folder with the dashboard controller class. After that, we check the /admin route. We have our index function and 3 options to choose how to display the dashboard interface. Then we have configure dashboard, which will add the name in our project and also add an icon for the dashboard, which is a FA icon. To display it, we go back to our project and instead of /home, we use /admin. And as you can see, we have our interface. Welcome to EasyAdmin 5. We also have documentation links. That's it for this video, and we will see each other in the next video to start step-by-step configuration of our administration part. See you next time.